Welcome back to Watching Mike. As I've mentioned in prior videos, I believe the current range of Seiko 5 watches represent great value, providing a nice price to quality ratio along with a robust 4R36 movement, which is the day-date version of the 4R35 and is commonly used in presages as well. Today I'm unboxing the Seiko 5 SRPE61K, nicknamed Dress KX, given its dimensions and profile. Notice now Seiko doesn't give the physical warranty card or the physical manual. It's all done online. Quite standard packaging. And here we go. This is the grey NATO strap version with the lovely grey Sunburst style. NATO strap has a nice solid signed buckle, and the dial is very clean, large and legible hour markers along with the simple three-handed design and a day date at 3 o'clock. It wears slightly smaller than the 40mm might suggest, but it still fits well under the shirt cuffs at 11.5mm. There's also a bracelet version of this watch, the SRPE61K, which seems slightly dressier with polished instead of brushed bezels that you see here on the NATO strap version. So it's really up to you which one you prefer, but realistically I think the brush bezel works better with the casual dial design of the watch and the multitude of strap options that's available at the 22mm lug length. I believe this is a nice and cheaper alternative to the Black Bay 36 or 41 if you're looking for something with similar aesthetics. One thing you may consider when looking at the Seiko 5 range, apart from the multitude of variants and color combinations, is whether or not to go with this version with the fixed bezel or this version with the diver bezel. Both have design elements that are unmistakably Seiko, and both are powered by the same 4R36 movement with Hardex crystals and display case backs. The subtle differences in case sizes and thickness, which on paper are around 1 to 2mm difference, doesn't seem much, but does make a difference in the wrist. And you can see here how much the diver bezel protrudes out. And also the heaviness of this version is definitely felt on the wrist. And less importantly, but also another consideration, is that this diver version has 22mm lugs, whereas this one has 20mm, although you should have no problem sourcing a multitude of different straps for either option. Overall, personally, I think with my smaller 6.5-inch wrists, I prefer this fixed bezel version, as it seems to be more subdued rather than the diver version, which can be a bit hefty and sort of sticks out, especially with the bezel thickness here. Overall, out of all the Seiko 5 ranges, I think I like this one the most, especially with this nice grey Sunburst dial, the crisp hour markers, and also the casualness of this watch. and it fits well on my 6.5-inch wrist as well. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for future content.